Artoonza.
All right, crayon connoisseurs, prepare to unleash your inner Van Gogh and conquer the court. Today, we're drawing the National Basketball Association Future Ball, or something that looks suspiciously like it. Wink, wink. Get ready to dribble on your drawing pad and slam dunk your artistic skills with the precision of a point guard and the creativity of a slam dunk. This masterpiece will be so good, even LeBron James will be jealous. No. I'm not telling, but it's totally worth the wait. Give us a big thumbs up.
Aw, so cute.
Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Brown, orange, yellow. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That's enough, blend a hand. Color, color, color.
Wow!
This is so amazing. Brown again. Orange. Yellow. Snowy white. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. That's enough. My hands are starting to shake. Color, color, color. Give us your like. Color, color, color. Glitter time. Let's make it shine.
Aw, so cute.
Hit that like button now. Abrackadoodle-doo, hocus pocus. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.